grateful that I was able to find my calling through photography, and it really is the fuel to the passion that I have to give back to my people. Growing up on the res was just a blast. I've always enjoyed photography since I was a little kid. And there's something incredibly special about Monument Valley and the formations. In a photographic way, it's kind of a classroom, just some amazing light. I photographed many different cultures around the world, from France to Germany to Alaska, and all are beautiful. And after that, I felt just a major calling to focus on home, our people, our landscapes, and the way of life around here, to document those and preserve those, not only for my family and my children, but for all people that see my work.
I've always believed in capturing the spirit of the image. In photography, there's a spiritual depth to the reason why I'm creating a photograph. It's easy to create pictures, but it's always a wonderful challenge to create meaning. My grandparents have moved on into the world of great spirits, and so they're no longer here. And whenever I'm out here, it's just like I'm with my own grandparents. And so many of our elders and families on the res really don't have the basic things like electricity. They use about 2 of these tanks, 2 tanks a week. That can get expensive, and it's also not that healthy either. I thought there's got to be a better way, and I wanted to do more for the community and the elders that have shaped me. I've used money from selling my photographs to help install solar power for many different families now. Light can do so much to a photograph. Just a little light in a home can also do the same.
Our elders teach us, go to school, then come back and help your people. And I see that in Mylo. Just out of the blue, this individual just comes and says, yeah, I got light, I'll give you guys light. And that's such a great thing, you know?
That's it. Now we just got to push one button. There you go.
There's no odor of kerosene.
It's not only good for us, but it's good for the baby. Thank you.
You're welcome. This makes me happy. Anytime I get a chance to help an elder, I just always look at them like my grandma and my grandpa. I miss them. But it's good now that my people don't have to sit in darkness anymore. It's worth it.
I seen Jonah deep in that. I seen Jonah. Ja, det är Mylo Fowler inte. Kad är his kid och är han inte. Bara chatle.